Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of October. And first of all, national news. RBI stopped Bank of Baroda from onboarding new customer on its mobile app. Karnataka officials suspended over Bangalore fire. Not here to deal with micromanagement of issues, Chief Justice. Bangalore banned Ganesha idol procession celebrations after violence. Baba is totally fine. Amartya Sen's daughter on rumors of his death. Now, international news. Israel retakes Gaza border areas from Hamas. War death count crossed 3,000. Situation has worsened. Ukraine said Russia trying to besiege a town. Brutality of surprise attack unite Israel around one goal crush Hamas. Israel Hamas war upset Saudi prince hopes of biggest historical deal. Failure of US policy in Middle East, Vladimir Putin on Israel-Palestine war. Now sports news. Belgian football star Eden Hazard announced retirement. England beat Bangladesh by 137 runs. Team India opened its ODI World Cup 2023 campaign with a thumping 6-wicket win over Australia. Business related news. Handling your credit card limit important for proper usage. MCX new commodity derivatives platform to go live from October 16. CBDT expected to exceed budget target despite corporate tax collection lull. And that's all in news. Thank you.